Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add end screen to promote your videos on YouTube. End screen basically looks like these. It is a feature by which you can promote your videos or other videos, the videos that you want to promote at the end of your current video. Besides, you can also give an option for subscription. So let's just see the steps by which you can add end screen. First, click on the icon and go to YouTube Studio. Then go to videos and select the video that you want to add end screen for. So this is the video. Then click on edit. On the right side, you can see an option to add end screen. Click here. Once you are on this page, you can create your end screen. YouTube provides you with some templates. You can select one such template to create the end screen. So these are all the templates provided by YouTube. Let me select one of the templates for this example. So, okay, let's select this one. Click on select. So now these appear on the screen. So this is the box which you can drag and drop anywhere you want on your video. So let me drag and drop it at the bottom, and this is another box. Let me drag it and drop it down to here. Now the video that you would like to promote, you can select it by double clicking on the box. Once you double click on the box, you will see this option. These are the videos from my channel, and these are the options. So one option is most recent upload. You can directly select it, and whatever is your most recent upload, YouTube will automatically pick it up. Best for viewer is the option by which you are going to allow YouTube to pick a video from your channel. Otherwise, you can select it yourself. So I'm going to select the video myself, and these are the videos. You can also promote your playlist also. As you can see that I have some playlist here already. So let me select this video. But if you want, you can select playlist also. So let's click on save. So now the end screen appears on the video. So if you want to have a preview, you can click on the preview button, and you can see that the end screen starts to appear. Important point to note here is the timestamp at which the end screen starts to appear. Let me switch it off and show it to you. Okay, so this is the line at which the end screen will start to appear. Both the end screens, since they are at the same boundary, so this is the timestamp where this end screen will both the end screen will start to appear. If you want to adjust, let's say for example, I want this end screen to appear at, let's say, at 4:45. So what I can do, I can drag this one and set it to here at 4:45. Okay. So now let's just drag it here and again watch the preview. So now you can see this is end screen has appeared before, and at 4:45 the subscription end screen also appears. So let's turn the preview off now. So you can adjust the elements on the video as per your needs. If you're using it for the first time, you may not, and or if suppose you're not getting the option to use the template, what you can do is, let's say you don't have the option of the template, then what you can do is you can directly add element also. So click on add element, click on video. Again, these same options will come, and if you want to choose a video or a playlist, you can do that from here. So create element, and you can drag and drop wherever you want to. Then you can create a subscription and drag and drop accordingly. If you want to add more elements, you can add it. You can select a channel or a link that you would like to promote, or maybe another video. So this way you can add more elements also. Once you're satisfied with your changes, you can go and click on the save button. So it will shows that all changes are saved. Now if you will go here and let's just go, was this on YouTube? And just go here. Let's see whether the end screen appears or not. So now you can see that the end screen has started to appear on this video. If you find this video useful, please hit like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks.